Hey guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. And we are at the end of Christmas 2020. And this day was so joyous, relaxing, full of good food, some good movies, some quiet time, chilling on the couch, and just relaxing, eating some good food. That we were blessed to see another Christmas and to celebrate Jesus Christ's birthday. But now it's time to take away all of the beautiful decor. So guys, let's get it. Yeah, guys, I woke up this morning not really feeling well. I got a second wind now, so I got to get this Christmas decor put away so I can start planning for the new year. Okay, I came up with a plan and I'm trying to stick with it. Whatever else God has, I'm not in control of that, but I'm sure in control of the things that I've planned thus far, and if it go according to my plan, then I guess it's a part of his plan. If it don't, then it'll go according to his plan, right? But I pulled those boxes out the garage, so I'm gonna get started taking down the decor. Hey, you gonna help mommy take down the decorations, the Christmas decorations? No, you just want to scratch. How about you? You gonna help me take down the Christmas decorations? Chanel, you don't want to help? Chanel. She says she don't want no parts of this madness.
How do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? Cause really I don't see the benefits now. And you're broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just a pastime. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. Beating again, I should probably let you go. I know I can be cynical, make everything difficult, but it would take a miracle now to fix our problems. How come we're holding on? Cause really I don't see the benefits now. And you're broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22 and trying something new, just a pastime. I don't think that we ever could work this out.
In this video here, as you can see, everything is packed away, all of the Christmas decor. I might leave the table for a while, but just change a few things around it, on it. But that's gonna have to be for tomorrow because I am extremely exhausted. So we're gonna call this a night. Good night, guys, and thank you for watching Behind Closed Door. See you soon. Bye-bye.